Hey boys and girls, today we're going to talk about sounds in words and we're going to decide how many sounds some different words have. For each sound we hear in the word, we're going to hold up a finger, okay? Let's take the word mat. Okay, ready? Let me see your fist and let's hold up a finger for each sound. Ready? A, t. How many sounds? Yes, 3. Okay, make a fist. Let's do the word shop. Ready? Sh, ah, p. How many? 3, because SH goes together. Sh, ah, p. 3. Okay, the word ball. Okay, let's do the word ball. Ready? B, all. How many? Just 2. B goes together. All goes together. B, all. 2 sounds. Okay, let's take the word step. Ready? Fist. S, d, e, p. How many? 4. Yes. Okay, make a fist. Let's do the word black. Ready? B, l, a, k. Right, 4. The k together makes one sound. Okay, ready? Let's do the word dodge. Make a fist. D, a, j. Just 3 sounds. The j is spelled D-G-E, but it just makes one sound. J. D, a, j. 3. Good job. We will continue this week doing some more words and figuring out how many sounds these words have.